I always get the question, does the brand of furnace matter? Everybody asks me this question. The short answer is no. The brand absolutely does not matter. I've worked with Goodman's, Rheems, Runes, Bryant's, Tempstars, Westinghouse, Tammins, and absolutely all those furnaces will provide you with heat and, will do it sufficiently. Main thing is the installation. If you have a good installer and you like him, he comes with references, you see some pictures of his work, or you've seen his work, by all means, any furnace he puts in is going to work for you. I don't particularly like the Bryants, but if you have someone put a Bryant in for you and they do a good job, by all means, there's nothing wrong with the Bryant. It'll give you good service. I do find the Bryant parts a little expensive. I like the Goodmans. The replacement parts are a little on the cheaper side. But all in all, it does not make a difference what kind of furnace you install in your home. So it's best to go with references, how you like the person, pictures of other installations, but that is the most important thing, is installation. It is not brand name whatsoever. So, also, whoever installed your furnace, if you can't fix it yourself, you want to be concerned with replacement parts, and the person that installs it, how's their service work, follow up on the furnace, are there other companies that service this brand? That's something you want to look into, if what company goes under. You want to see if there's other companies in the area that service this brand. So that's pretty much wraps it up. So that's the answer. So the main point is installation, service from your installer, hopefully. Is there other service available? And the availability of parts. Those are the most important things. Any furnace you put in will serve you well if it's installed well. Thank you.